So goodies. Well, got this, which is just a bag with a shopping bag in it. Got some goodies from Tindy, and I met some of the people from Tindy there. In fact, for a while at the Tindy stand, I think also Rachel Konichiwa Kitty was there, and she was judging robots on their appearance, on how interesting they were looking. Let's be honest, mine was a bit more wires hanging out and a few 3D printed bits on the sides. We never got as far as the aesthetics. But anyway, I picked up these badges, a couple of these, so one for each of my children to solder, and Helena's looking forward to soldering this badge and wearing it so she can have an I Can Solder badge, which would be really cool. I also bought from, I think it was Mod My Pi, I got a little tiny OTG adapter, so you can put this into a Raspberry Pi Zero, and then the other side you've got straight USB. Then we get on to, okay, so this came in the goodie bag on the way in, and it's a Raspberry Pi case, simple green, feels like some kind of acrylic. This is not entirely Pi Wars related, this just happened to arrive in the same week. This is a t-shirt for being a creative computer builder. So I have a free t-shirt in orange. Maybe I'll wear this t-shirt. It fits. Okay, so now we're on to this. The goodie bag from Pi Wars. And I think Jonathan has something to say about Pi Wars and the prize bag.
Oh no, not more robots!
So, let's have a look inside ourselves, huh? First we have this box, and it's got another mystery plastic thing. Hooray! And we've got what appears to be a proto black hat. So this is a full-size hat. It's got a header on it, it's a long header, and then just a set of proto board. Oh no, look, this proto board is almost breadboard wiring with a slot for the camera. So maybe next time I want to make my own Pi hat, I could use something like this. I wonder if there is a mini fat style proto board with this kind of arrangement. That would be handy. It's another shopping bag. Stringly B Mad Lab. Oh, Stringy. Hold on. This is a bowl port thing. Oh, this is so much of a gift for Helena. Oh. Well, I'm not going to let her watch this until she's, because otherwise it'll give it away. Oh, look at this. Stringy. This is cool. Okay, there's a timer circuit. Okay, so we've got a pick. Oh, isn't that a gorgeous board? Look at it. Look at the design. Isn't it beautiful? Look at all of the curvy traces. It's kind of hard to pick up in the camera. We've got beautiful curvy traces, beautiful line traces. Yeah, this is going to be something Helena's going to get to do once she's graduated from doing her badge. What's next in the bag? An ebook. Okay, ebook gift voucher from the No Starch Press. That'll be fun for me. Always like books. There's never enough books. We've got an Astro PZ motor, so a 5-volt regulator with dual motor driver for the Raspberry Pi Zero. Interfaces with line follower, proximity sensor and LEDs. Cool, and that astrodesigns.com downloads PIZ motor. Nice, so a motor controller, can always do more of them. So, as I assembled this rather nifty little motorboard, I love the through-hole construction that makes it really accessible, I suppose, to those who are soldering and even if you're reasonably inexperienced. But the other thing you can't help notice is that for every footprint on the reverse side of the board, there are also surface mount points, so you could surface mount the whole circuit and make it flatter as well.
So here I'm using the Octasnap, which is absolutely brilliant for snapping off the single inline header pins that are needed for a number of places on this board. And you kind of push them in, snap them off, and then you can solder them right in. Brilliant job. I had a good fun time putting it together. I think the only thing I found fiddly was the old legs on the 8-pin dip, or even 16-pin dip. But other than that, this was actually a really nice construction, and I enjoyed putting it together. I haven't had a chance to actually try it and test it yet, so perhaps in a later video I will. But anyway, really like this, and as a little gift in the goodie bag, awesome, another motor controller.
And this is Cosmic. I'm not sure what it is. It looks like some kind of fat with buttons on it. I guess we'll have to solder it together. Cosmic Controller Kit. See IQ Audio downloads for user documentation. So okay, we're going to have to stick that together and find out what to do with it. So there's a whole backlog of soldering. Oh, another shopping bag from Wiley. And this is the Pi Uptime UPS. A 3.3 volt UPS power. 5 volt UPS power out via USB port, power reset switch, charges battery and powers the Pi, and uses 18650 batteries, not included. Okay, so that'll be handy. So maybe we'll have a video where we look a bit more in there. Batteries not included. And that's www.alchemypower.com Pi Uptime UPS. So we'll try that out. I mean, maybe this could be a cheeky solution if it can be fit in the battery change enough for powering the controller in a robot. So run a controller off of this, and then run the wheels and motors off of another set of batteries. What else have we got in the bag? Okay, there were 3 of these, and oh, another cool thing. Oh, it's a Scroll Fat HD. Awesome, in yellow. Right, that's going to be loads of fun. So we can stick the header on that. And maybe we can stick that on any of the robots going to the London Arduino Day, the Pi robots anyway, so we can get a bit of feedback on what they're doing. So it's got a 17x7 bright yellow pixels, 119 total, on a single fat, 119 odd numbered pixels. That's a strange concept for me. And it gives you full PWM brightness control over each pixel, so you can do different brightnesses on these, and then you can get messages, waveforms, patterns, all kinds of fun stuff. And I think I've reached the bottom of the bag. So, go make stuff and be awesome. Bye!